So here we are. So far so good. Still got a few bits to do on the lights. I'm going to put an extra bit of this just here. What else am I doing? I'm going to change that this morning, but the first thing to do is get rid of the positive lead, because you can't help but click that thing off the frame. Yeah, nearly done. I'm going to put the tank back together. I've left the screen off because I want to use it as my last bit, because chances are I might damage it while I'm running around. Yeah, let's get on with this. It's so much easier coming out than it is going in. That's the easiest way to do this, rather than trying to get your fingers in there. It's just so much easier. This is what angers me. Direct replacement off Amazon. This bike is listed and the hole sizes are different. So that bit there to that bit there, different size. That's 8.5 and that's 10.5.